In my last video, I recommended some good stocks and some people have already started positioning and investing in those good stocks I recommended. I also promised you to do another video where I will show you the best gold ETFs that you can buy to make huge returns in investments in US dollars. So this may just be your opportunity to also start making dollars from gold ETFs that I'll be showing you in this video. My name is Funsho and I'm a chartered accountant. In this video, I will show you the top 10 best gold ETFs that you can buy in 2026. I will explain what each of the ETFs offers, why investors are choosing them, and I also tell you which type of investor each one is best suited for. I will save the best for the last and start from number 10. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so you don't miss any important details. If you are excited about this investment opportunity, give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. The number 10 best gold ETFs to invest in 2026 is VanEck Junior Gold Miners ETF, GDXJ for short. This ETF focuses on stocks of small mining companies involved in early stage exploration and development. Now, this is a high risk, high reward type of investment because these companies are small, but they have the potential to actually grow explosively. But at the same time, they are more volatile and sensitive to operational risk. GDXJ has about 10.5 billion US dollars in assets under management, which makes it a relatively large and liquid ETF in this category. The key advantage of this ETF is upside potential. When gold prices rise significantly, junior miners can outperform both physical gold and large mining companies. However, the ETF is best suited for experienced investors who understand risk and are looking for aggressive growth. The number 9 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is Goldman Sachs Physical Gold ETF, AAAU for short. This ETF tracks the price of physical gold bars. This means that the ETF is tracking the value of actual physical gold bars. The gold is stored in bank vaults in London and they are fully allocated. This means that every unit of the ETF corresponds directly to a real gold. This ETF is ideal for investors who want direct exposure to gold at a relatively low cost without sacrificing reliability. The number 8 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is ABRDN Physical Gold Shares ETF, SGOL for short. This ETF stands out because of its focus on responsibly sourced gold and strong transparency. It holds physical gold stored in Switzerland and London. It gives investors geographic diversification. It also publishes the serial number of its gold bars. This adds an extra layer of transparency and trust. With about 9 billion US dollars in assets, SGOL is a solid choice for investors who are concerned about ESG factors and storage security. The number 7 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is iShares Gold Trust Micro, IAUM for short. This ETF is one of the most attractive options for long-term investors because of its extremely low cost. With around 6 billion US dollars in assets, it's large enough to be stable while still offering excellent value. The ETF is best for investors who want to minimize fees and maximize long-term returns. If you are getting value from this video, now is the perfect time to like the video and make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss videos like this in the future. Also share the video with your friends and colleagues. The number 6 best gold ETFs to invest in 2026 is SPDR Gold Mini Shares, GLDM for short. This ETF is designed as a low-cost alternative to the popular GLD ETF. It offers exposure to physical gold, but at a much lower price and cost. This makes it more accessible to retail investors who want to start small and build their position over time. It combines strong structure, lower fees, and accessibility, making it a great option for beginners. If you are getting value from this video, now is the best time to like the video and make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss my future videos. Also, share this video with your friends and colleagues. The number 4 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is SPDR Gold Shares, GLD for short. This is the largest gold ETF in the world with over 176 billion in assets. It's known for its high liquidity, tight bid and ask spreads, and a deep options market. This makes it the preferred choice for institutional investors and active traders. This ETF is best for investors who prioritize liquidity and ease of trading over cost. The number 3 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is Vanek Gold Miners ETF, GDX for short. Unlike the previous ETFs, this one does not hold any physical gold. Instead, it invests in gold mining companies. This ETF has about $33 billion in assets, including 50 global mining companies. It offers the potential for higher returns because mining stocks can outperform gold itself during strong bull markets. It also pays dividends, which is something physical gold ETFs do not offer. The number 2 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is SPDR Gold Mini Shares, GLDM for short. This ETF is one of the best options for investors looking for a combination of low cost and strong structure. It is backed by the same institution as GLD, but designed for long-term investors. Its lower fees makes it a strong competitor, especially for those who want exposure to gold without paying premium costs. Before I reveal the number 1 gold ETF, drop a comment below and tell me if you would invest in any physical gold ETFs or you prefer to invest in gold mining ETFs in 2026. Also, like the video and make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss my future videos. Also, share this video with your friends and colleagues. The number 1 best gold ETF to invest in 2026 is iShares Gold Trust, IAU for short. It is the best overall gold ETF because of its perfect balance between low cost, high liquidity, and strong credibility. With over 80 billion in assets and a reasonable expense ratio, it's suitable for both beginners and experienced investors. It tracks the price of gold closely and offers a reliable way to gain exposure to gold without unnecessary complexity. For most investors, this ETF provides the best combination of value, accessibility, and performance. The biggest takeaway from this list is that not all gold ETFs are the same. There are 2 major types actually. There's a physical gold ETF which tracks the price of gold directly, while gold miners ETFs invest in mining companies and offer higher risk and higher reward. In 2026, gold remains a powerful hedge against inflation, currency depreciation, economic uncertainty. However, choosing the right ETF depends on your investment goals, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon. Low-cost ETFs like IAUM are ideal for long-term investors, while ETFs like GLD are better for active traders. Gold miners ETF like GDX and GDXJ offer higher upside but come with higher volatility. So there you have it, the top 10 gold ETFs to make money in 2026. This ETFs gives you multiple ways to take advantage of the ongoing gold rally, whether you want stability, you want growth, or you want aggressive returns. As gold continues to gain momentum, smart investors are positioning themselves early already. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with someone who needs to see it as well, and I will see you in the next video. Watch any of the 2 videos on your screen now. Thank you for watching.